ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is part of the GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer series, specifically based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. GPT 3.5 is one of the most advanced versions of the model as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can understand natural language and produce coherent responses in the form of written text. The model is pre-trained on a massive dataset containing a diverse range of text from the internet, allowing it to learn grammar, syntax, context, and semantic understanding. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in conversational interactions. Users can provide prompts or questions, and the model will generate relevant responses accordingly. It has a wide range of applications, including providing customer support, answering questions, generating creative writing, language translation, and much more. Keep in mind that advancements in AI and natural language processing are constantly evolving, and there might be newer versions or variations of ChatGPT beyond my last update in September 2021.